And this is only in the online Excel, ये Microsoft Excel 2016 version और the latest version उसमें नहीं है.
So I think you asked a very good question. तो मैं थोड़ा Excel के versions के बारे में बता देता हूँ. Like whenever you ask someone, like I've trained more than 10,000 participants, so I ask them कि iPhone का कौन सा version है. Like they promptly give me the answer कि ये version है 16. I don't know which is the latest one. 16 है क्या?
हाँ 16 ही है.
Okay, yeah. So
अभी सबसे नया तो ये है ना 16E.
16E. Okay. I am slightly different. मैं iPhone के track नहीं करता, Excel के track करता हूँ. So Excel में भी there are two types of versions. So one is a static version in Excel and one is a dynamic version in Excel. So static version में क्या होता है? You pay Microsoft once and then you can use it for the rest of your life.
बहुत ही spelling है.
Yeah. So as you know, like 2013 था, फिर 2019 आया, फिर 2021 आया. So these are static versions. इसमें आपको updates नहीं मिलते, but आपको एक ही बार Microsoft को pay करना पड़ता है. So if let's go to Microsoft website only, Microsoft buy Excel. So if we go to the Microsoft's official site, so you can see there for home they have different subscriptions. So this is I think Office 365 ka subscriptions, and also you can buy like some Microsoft के standard subscriptions, which is like one-time subscription. Like you can buy once, like Excel 2021, and then you can use it for the rest of your life. So that is called as a static version, and dynamic version is nothing but Microsoft 365. So if you buy Microsoft 365, then the biggest advantage is that you get updates on a regular basis. So every month, every quarter, Microsoft comes with some new updates. And वो updates आपको easily मिल जाते हैं. So therefore I recommend everyone कि आप Microsoft 365 ले लो. If you buy family subscription, then you get 6 people can access it. So it would be like 8,200 divided by 6, which would be what I think you're good with numbers, fast mental math.
कितना होगा 12 I think
I use Excel for everything. So
1,200, 1,200.
So it would be what 8,200 divided by 6, so 1,300 per year. Yeah. And if I divided it by days, which is 365, so it's like 3 rupees per day, which is cheaper than your tea breaks or any other breaks you have. So I always feel that 4 रुपए की ही चीज है, तो everyone should buy. 6 के group बना लो and you should buy. So
guys, disclaimer: this is not sponsored by Microsoft at all.
Yeah. So this is Microsoft 365, which you should buy. ये जो Automate है, this is available on desktop Excel also. So as you can see on my desktop Excel, it is also available, and it is also available on online Excel. So maybe I'll just touch the topic of VBA macros in this side only. So earlier Excel में क्या होता था कि functions cannot do everything. Like there are a lot of limitations where some things cannot be done by functions. So in that situations, what we do is that we leverage VBA macros. So ये VBA macros है क्या? So VBA stands for Visual Basic Application. So it's a programming language written by Microsoft for using Microsoft products. So there is a misconception that VBA works only on Excel. No, VBA can work on Word, PPT as well. So that is it. And I think it came in 1990s, VBA. And I think in last 5-10 years, Microsoft have also stopped giving any updates to VBA because they want to focus on Automate. So VBA macros is kind of a programming language to perform actions in Excel, which functions cannot do. So now there are 2-3 use cases of VBAs. So one which I discussed was UDF, like user defined functions. कि आपको Excel में कोई नए functions चाहिए जो Excel में नहीं है, तो you can code them via VBA. But now that is being replaced by lambdas. Second, आपको loops लगाने हैं, right? So there are 3 loops in programming, which is for loop, do while loop. These type of loops अगर आपको लगाने हैं, then you can do it with the help of VBA macros. So
loops मतलब क्या होता है?
Loops मतलब आपको एक ही चीज बार बार करनी है. So that is kind of a loop. So for example, like let's say, I mean just to give you a simple example of do while loop is that numerology में, right, people sum the numbers, right? So like let's say you sum the numbers until you want to stop. So like let's say I take 97 as a number. Now I want to sum the number, which is 9 plus 7. Correct? 16. But then again, I want to sum it 1 plus 6. Right? 7. Right? So what I want to do is basically I want to sum the digits of the number until I get my one single number. So this is a concept of loop. इसमें functions आपको help नहीं कर पाएगी because you cannot tell Excel कि एक बार करना है, दो बार करना है, तीन बार करना है. So the criteria to exit this loop is to exit the loop when the value is single digit, right? So this is the concept of do while loop in Excel, for loop in Excel. So these are different loops which are there in programming languages as well.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.